This is the microphone.
Oh, it's so little.
Oh, y'all look. It looks like a button. I can be over here cooking in the kitchen. Okay, y'all, I had to come into my tiny house to discuss my package, okay? This is not PR. This is not sponsored. This is simply Amazon purchases that I have made. But one particular purchase, I have completely convinced myself that it's gonna help me in my creative process and how I'm thinking about my content. It's gonna make me better. That's just what I think. My husband is so loud out here in the back. But yeah, let's open it up. Let's talk about it. Let's see if it does all the things that I have told myself it will do. Hopefully my battery lasts for this process because it's on the low end right now. But I cannot be the only content creator out there that is constantly buying new things to make my business great, okay? Where I believe I have flawed in this particular thing is I didn't get the combo deal. Like, they had an option that was solely intended for, there's a bigger item in here, but then there's also this, that was solely intended for cell phone use, and then they had an option that was solely intended for for camera use, and then they had an option that was combo, and it was a little bit more. But because I was already splurging on the option to buy this particular thing, I just couldn't see me paying any more money than what I really needed it for. And to be honest, I do use my Sony ZV whatever more than I use my cell phone. I use my cell phone for more Instagram-y, TikTok-y things, but for here on YouTube, I love to use my Sony. It's my favorite thing. And I needed a lavalier mic. So typically I use, first of all, let me just point out the fact that because this is a very rushed video, I am using the audio provided from my Sony at this point. So if you think it sounds terrible, then maybe that's why. But if I am doing a more scripted, more, what do they call it, head talking video, I do use my Rode mic that attaches to my camera, and it works beautifully. But when I film in here in my tiny house, I do have an AC unit that blows extremely loud, okay? It's so loud that it tunes, I don't know why, but my Rode will pick that up before it picks me up, even though the mic will be facing me. So we're not gonna talk about that. It's a wonderful mic. It has amazing sound quality, but when I turn my AC on, no. However, I have this little boo-boo mic that I use on my iPhone, and it's like it's a lavalier mic, but it's specifically for iPhone, and it's cheap. It's ridiculously cheap. I want to say someone gave it to me as a gift, but it has amazing quality, and if I have the AC unit on, because I guess the mic's right here by my mouth, it only picks me up. It tunes the rest of the drama out. So I was like, I need a great lavalier mic for my camera, but I didn't want it to be jumbo. And this one is not jumbo. It's so cute and tiny. So let's get into it. Please, camera, don't die on me, because I don't have no other batteries charged. And y'all, also I need to point out, this is not a tech review at all. I am simply unboxing in amazement in real time because I'm excited. Like, I'm really freaking excited. And I guess, like, for me, I do videos while I'm in my tiny house, but I also do some cooking content, and I want to be able to freely walk and talk and do my videos. This is what I've convinced myself of, okay? I'm going to be walking and talking and cooking and doing my cooking videos. So let's get into it. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you in a little closer so you can see the things without stretching. I'm guessing if you came here for this content today, you came here for this for the microphone. So here is the bike. Here is the mic. It came very quickly from Amazon. I will include my link below if you're so interested in purchasing via my affiliate link. There's no pressure to do that. Just, watch some more reviews. Make up your mind. Do your thing. But this is how I feel. And hopefully my camera won't die and my camera won't lose power before I finish this up, because I want to hook it up and see if I can compare sound quality or not. I'm excited! Okay. So we're opening. This is the box. There's a little guy over here. Y'all, I was super excited when I unboxed my cameras, my Canon and my Sony. But something about this little microphone situation has me very excited. Look at that. Look at the little case. I don't even know what all this other drama is in here, but look at the little case. It's super cute. All right, let's get her out of there. Get her out. I gotta move quickly before my battery goes away. Okay, so there's that. Super compact. I could easily put this in my purse. And we're gonna open it. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so excited. So from what I understand, this is the charging case so that I can keep my little lavalier mics charged. And I have two. Does that mean I can invite my friends to annoy you guys too? Oh, super excited. Okay. This is the microphone. It's so little. Y'all look, it looks like a button. And there's a magnet. I've watched a ton of reviews on this thing, so this is why I'm familiar without being familiar. But there is a magnet. Oh my God! So that you can pin it to your shirt. Y'all shut up. Look at this. Oh, that was a bad example, but we're gonna get there. Hold on. Where did it go? Okay. Oh, but it's very magnetic. I was just being dramatic. No one's gonna be jumping up and down, but y'all look. Ah! Ooh, we're on the final bar. Okay, let's move. Move, Tammy, move. If it does die, I will charge it and then I'll do the comparison for the sound quality purposes. We'll do those things. Look at this little pouchy. What's in here? Okay, that is all in screen. See, this is why I couldn't do no tech review, because what am I doing? What are these? Oh, that's the muff. So that whenever you are outside, you still have the wind guard thing. Come on, Tam, use your nails. Okay, yep. There it is, super cute. Now that makes it a little less inconspicuous, but still awesome. Here is the cord to connect it to my camera. Guess that's the charging cord. Oh, and this is what I was excited about. This little tool right here, or this little thingy here, this is your necklace. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is. So then, you can wear it as a necklace. Oh, this is awesome. I am like a kid on Christmas morning right now. yes, there's no need to convince me anymore. I will be great with these things. Okay, let's see if I can hook this up before my battery dies. Oh, this is awesome. So this is the receiver I have to place on my camera. And y'all, what's awesome about this receiver, I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, it'll go right into the little groove. I'll record it with my cell phone. Right into the little groove where you would mount like a light or something on top of your camera. Let me get my phone. Aha! Okay, so it goes this way. Bro, love this. So awesome. Okay. So yes. Okay. So now that we're going to take this, connect it here, and then take this, ooh, stretchy, and connect it here. Oh, and then you actually have to turn it on. Good job, Tammy. Let's turn that sucker on. And then I need this. Oh, the magnet was stuck to the necklace. Okay, so turn this mic on. This up here. Bam Sam. I've turned the mic portion upward. Ooh. Is it working? I don't even know if it's working yet. Uh-oh. Let's see. I watched a lot of reviews, but now I think I need to read the instructions. What else is in here? Nothing. I heard that there are stickers involved. There are stickers. Oh, look. These little stickers to like make that more inconspicuous. Okay. Quick guide, packing list card. I need a quick start guide. Where is the quick start for us not too techie savvy people? All right, well, what I do know is that I love where this is sitting, and oh, it's about to die. Let's see if it works over here. Because allegedly it has 1,000 feet. So I'm just gonna say it works. You guys, hopefully this video comes through the way that I want to. Hello. I felt like it was important for me to come back on here and say that it indeed was not on. And now it is, so you can get a better sound quality. I'm going to go in the bathroom in my tiny house because my tiny house is only 40 feet long. It says it can go to 1,000 feet, but we're not gonna walk that far. I'm just gonna walk in the bathroom and I'm gonna shut the door and you'll be able to see how well the sound quality is or whatever. So, no, I have it on. I'll be back. I'll say hello from the toilet. Hold, please. Can you see me? Okay, so I'm in the bathroom. This is as far as I can go in my house. You are literally on the opposite end of my tiny house. Yes, so now feel free to be the judge of the sound quality. It's not coming from the camera, though my Sony sound quality is amazing. Yeah,
That's it. Back. Yeah, I was literally in the middle of editing the video and I'm like, there's no difference here, so carry on. Baby, we is fancy now. Fancy. Oh, and they got black ones so you can just make it black. No label over here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That means I can be over here cooking in the kitchen.